Hey everyone, if you want to build apps without writing every line of code manually, Bolt AI can help you turn ideas into working applications much faster. In this video, I'll show you how to create apps with Bolt AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated result will be. Include information about features, pages, user roles, navigation, design preferences, and functionality. After entering your prompt, submit the request and allow Bolt AI to generate the project. The platform will create layouts, components, code, and application structure based on your description. Once the app is generated, review the result carefully. Check the interface, navigation, forms, buttons, and overall functionality to ensure everything matches your vision. And that's how to create apps with Bolt AI in 2026. With AI-powered development tools and natural language prompts, Bolt AI makes application development faster and more accessible than ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.